Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to show you how to design a complex patterned sphere model using Rhino 3D. So let's get started. I began by creating a sphere as the base. Next, I drew curves on the sphere by the Interpolate Curve on Surface command. I measure the curve length, then draw a straight curve of the same length for the next part. After that, I draw a box. Then by using Rotate and Orient tools, I fix the box as I need. Next, I used Array Along Curve to copy it 40 times. Next, I add all the boxes into a group, then use the twist feature for a better and more fun result. By using the Flow Along Curve command, I applied the pattern from a straight curve to the first curve. When done, I deleted the first and the last box, then use Array Polar to copy it along the center point. Next, I use the Boolean Union command to unify the boxes. Then, I use the Boolean difference command to subtract boxes from the sphere. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.